And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. A huge debt and a lack of funds to secure travel arrangements are threatening Jamaica's participation in the Hong Kong Sevens rugby tournament next month. Simon Preston tells us more.
An outstanding debt of US $20,000 or just under 3 million Jamaican dollars to the Hong Kong Rugby Union, incurred as a result of an injury sustained by Jamaican player Omar Dixon at last year's edition of the Hong Kong Sevens tournament, is proving to be a major stumbling block in Jamaica's way to compete in next month's tournament. Dixon needed surgery after sustaining an eye injury, which was paid for in the sum of US $40,000 or just under 5 million Jamaican dollars by the host nation. Chairman of the Jamaica Rugby Football Union, Jerry Benswick, says the Hong Kong Union have now called on the local association to pay up the debt, which leaves Jamaica in a bad financial position.
The JOA says, well, we have a very hectic schedule right now, so all our funds are being put into the Commonwealth and all the other games that we have to go to, so they can only afford to give us 2.5. So we still need 2 million.
Jamaica faces the possibility of a fine and a possible suspension from World Rugby if they fail to turn up for the April 6 to 8 event in Hong Kong. Benswick explains why the Hong Kong Sevens tournament is crucial to Jamaica's rugby calendar for 2018.
We win this qualifier. It means that the program gets funded. So now that Sevens team will not only qualify to play the next 10 series next year, 2019, they would be funded.
National player O'Shane Eddy says the Hong Kong Sevens is a huge platform for the team to gel together.
Over the years from high school, it's always been a dream for me to actually represent Jamaica on the world stage. I got that chance last year in Hong Kong and it was amazing. A lot of people, 40,000 people shouting Jamaica. They're in their USA colors and other colors, and they're still shouting Jamaica because they're excited for us to be there.
With the Rugby Sevens World Cup less than 5 months away, Benswick stresses the importance of Hong Kong in preparing the team.
Hong Kong is step one. We see how we play there. We're actually looking at our players because when we play in Hong Kong and when we play in the Commonwealth Games, now we're looking at that pool of players to put into the World Cup, plus some others that we have in training.
Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Simon Preston.
Meanwhile, Jamaica's national rugby sevens team is set to commence their busy 2018 international calendar, playing against Ireland, Uruguay and the Cook Islands in the Hong Kong Sevens tournament next month. The draw, which took place on Monday, saw the Jamaicans being placed in Pool G for the World Series qualifier as the number 3 seeded team in their group. Group E comprises Japan, Uganda, Chile and Georgia, while Group F has Papua New Guinea, Germany, Zimbabwe and the host nation Hong Kong. The top 2 teams, along with the best 2 third-place finishers, will advance to the quarterfinals of the competition. Only the winner will qualify for the 2018-2019 World Rugby Sevens Series. This will be Jamaica's 3rd appearance in the tournament, after runs in the 2013 and 2017 events. After the Hong Kong Sevens, the Crocs will then head over to the Gold Coast, Australia for the Commonwealth Games.